Over the past 5 months, I've been growing my 3printing.YouTube channel, and finally after 188 videos, 947k views, and over 4,000 hours of watch time, I've hit 1,000 subscribers. I want to take a moment to acknowledge and say thank you to all of my likers, commenters, viewers, and especially subscribers. Now here's what everyone is here for, my 1,000 subscriber Playbutton. But first, here is a time lapse of the print. Make sure to like and subscribe so I can hit 2K next. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll print the top comment, removing the prints. Gluing. Subscribe.